If you want to remove the Google search bar from the home screen on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately you cannot really do so with the default Pixel launcher, so with the default Pixel home screen that we have available on the phone. And the only solution to actually get rid of the Google search bar is by using another launcher. So you have to download a third-party launcher, for example from the Play Store, and use that instead of using the default Pixel launcher. So if we go to search over here, then we should be able to search for a launcher. You can just simply type launcher over here, and you should be able to find many different launchers that you can of course try out. You can just see which one you like the most, and of course you can decide which one you want to use on your phone. Now in my case I'm going to use the Microsoft launcher, simply because I think it's one of the better ones, and I don't think it contains any ads, so it's just very convenient to use on a daily basis. But of course feel free to try anything else from this list. Now in the case of this launcher, if you open it you will have to go through the setup, which is usually very simple, and the phone guides you to help you set it up properly. So in this case we can allow the launcher to access the location, so of course if you want to you can do so. There are a couple of additional permissions that you might want to grant. Over here we can sign into our Microsoft account, which is something that we don't really need to do. You can just skip by using the skip button in the bottom left corner. And then over here we have the option to help Microsoft improve the launcher by sharing our data, which we can of course disagree if you just tap on it now. Alright, now we need to wait a couple of seconds to get the next menu. And over here you can pick your favorite apps, which are, I assume, going to be added to your home screen straight away, automatically. So let's say I'm just gonna pick a couple of them, although you don't have to do so. In here you can of course add apps to the home screen by yourself if you want to, but let's say I'm just gonna choose just a couple of them, and let's tap on continue. There we go, we are all set, so now we can tap on let's go. Over here we have now the option to set this launcher to be the default one, which means that if you set it to the default one, whenever you go to the home screen, then that new launcher is going to be used, and we need to confirm that we want to change. There we go, we even have some introduction to the launcher itself, so you might want to check that out. And as you can see now, our home screen looks slightly different. We have our attached apps now here at the bottom. Of course, we can still customize the launcher a little bit. It surely has a couple of different options that we're going to go through. By default here we have the launcher settings, so you can go through all of that to make some changes here and there. But as you can see now at the bottom of the screen, we do not have the Google search bar. And yes, of course, we have this search bar now over here. This is, I believe, the Microsoft's widget, but we can actually press and hold our finger on that search bar, and we can just remove it from the home screen. And there we go, now it is completely gone, so that is not a problem. The app drawer looks slightly different as well, because it is a part of the home screen, of course. So you can see that it looks slightly different, but just like with the home screen, you should be able to make some changes to adjust it to your needs. But that's, generally speaking, how we can remove the Google search bar from this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.